Hey y'all, we're fixing to cook some breakfast, and we're gonna cook a little sausage, some scrambled eggs, and some grits on the Blackstone, on the griddle. This is instant grits. Sometimes you don't know if stuff's gonna work or not. You just gotta try it and see. You never know. If it works, hey. If it don't, so it. But I think this is gonna work what I got planned out.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
All right, y'all, we're gonna try in this sausage here. Chicken and apple. Never had it. Been wanting to try it. We're fixing to do it to it. Look at here, look at here. Nope, ain't gonna happen that way, is it? Y'all ever notice a lot of this stuff just hard to get into? And these are kind of individually wrapped. So that's just good in a way, because you could take this and eat one or two and put the rest up. But I like to cut my sausage this way and then this way. The reason I do that, because it cooks a lot faster. I mean, this is smoked chicken sausage. I've never heard of chicken sausage. That's why I want to try this. So, hey, we're gonna give it a shot, see if it works. If it don't, we'll throw it away. I don't know, let's see. All right, come over here and we're gonna squirt a little bit of oil right here. Get this going. Don't need much. All right, we got this heat on kind of low right now. We're gonna grab the sausage and throw it on here. And I'm gonna turn it over. I like to put the smooth side down. Let that be cooking. Look at there. Y'all hear it? Ooh, ain't nothing like hearing stuff sizzle on the Blackstone. Hi, y'all, come back over here. I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do next. This is gonna be pretty fast, pretty simple, and pretty easy. We're gonna get 1, 2, 3 chicken eggs. Okay, we're gonna set them right here. Watch this. Gonna break that egg, drop it in there. Woo, this is gonna be good, yeah. And now I got my outdoor kitchen and it's raining. So hey, still gotta eat, no matter if it rains, snow, or shine. So come on ahead and get you some of this good stuff. All right, y'all. Next thing we're gonna do, get our water bottle. And I had a fork right there. I like to poke holes in these eggs. Squirt a little water in here. I don't know what the water does to the eggs, but it fluffs them up. You'll see when I'm cooking it. It really fluffs the eggs up. A lot of time I use milk, but some situations, if we're camping or something, and we're way back in the swamp or the woods, we don't have milk. So we just use water. Hi, y'all, come over here. We're gonna get this going. Let me get my little ring over here. Now I take that ring and squirt when it's all around the edge of it. Just kind of wet it down, you know what I mean? That's sometimes we out here cooking and it's raining, you know? Can't be inside cooking sometimes. We got a roof over our head, so we still come out here and cook. And I just love cooking in the rain, watching it rain, listening to the crickets, just having a good time. Okay, y'all, watch this. All right, y'all, we're gonna get some of this Bayou blend, drop a little bit on here. Look at there. While we're waiting on these eggs, we're gonna turn this sausage to the other side. Look at there. Pull these toward the middle a little bit. Look at that one, didn't want to act right. Turn over, buddy. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and pick this ring up. And I use this mainly to kind of keep it eggs right there on top. They're just about ready, but not yet. I'm cooking another minute. While we're waiting letting them cook, we're gonna take these grits right here. Yeah, this is instant mix, y'all. Then we're gonna flip this egg to the other side. Y'all watch this. Don't do this unless you're a pro. Look at that. Ooh wee. Right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get over here, I'm gonna cut this fire off. Completely off. Okay. Now we got our water bottle. We're gonna squirt these grits. Steam them up. Can't forget my butter, y'all. I'm gonna drop a little butter on there. Okay, a little too much, but that's good. Okay, y'all, this is working out pretty good, I think. Oh, yeah. Got one more thing to do to this, y'all. Y'all just hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut all these spires off. We don't really need them no more. Now get me this cheese right here. Y'all ever had cheesy grits? Oh, this is just regular old sliced cheese. I'm using this because I love cheesy grits. So watch this, y'all. Watch it. We're gonna melt it in there. Fold it over. Let it sit just a minute. Y'all, we have not been cooking long, but we almost done. Got your eggs. Look at these beautiful eggs right here. Plated up. And y'all heard the saying many times before, grits and eggs. Well, there they are. I'm gonna set these right here. Get us a few sausage to put on here. Look at there. Get on there. Look at him trying to act silly. And we done got all the griddle things turned off. Come on over here. Look at it. All right, y'all, we tried this. We don't know if it's gonna work or not, but it looks pretty good. I know I can make a scrambled egg, and it turned out real good. But the grits on a Blackstone, I've never tried that before. We're gonna give them a shot. Cheesy grits, y'all. Pretty good. I'm gonna try that again. I'm not a big instant grit fan, but in a pinch, and if you're in a hurry on the water or something, you know you could do it now. I've never would have dreamed of cooking grits on the Blackstone, but I couldn't find a pot and didn't feel like going inside. It worked. Chicken sausage is pretty good, and you know the eggs are good. Don't be scared to try stuff. You never know until you try it. You try it, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, but you never know unless you do it. This is pretty good. I'll do this again.
Tonight you're